Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one more organic problem related to organic synthesis. And in this, if you see in this is the starting material, okay, and two condition is given here. One is DCl is added, means it is the isotope of proton, hydrogen means, okay, and D2 here added as a solvent here, and after that in the second step basic medium is provided to the reaction mixture. So what happened here, so we will see through mechanism what is the exact mechanism of this reaction. Okay, so first of all, if you see this, this is your starting material here, okay, and it is the DCl, okay, deuterated chloride, okay. So DCl, if you break down this, it is dissociated into this one, okay. So if you see this here, this is the starting material, and in this nitrogen having 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 means one lone pair of electron having, okay. So if these lone pair, so after that what happened, it abstract proton from this D plus, means DC from DCl, it is first it is dissociated in the reaction mixture, it exists in the D plus and Cl minus, okay. So it abstract this one, and this starting material is converted into, means lone pair is consumed here, so charge will be, their valence is 4 here, 1 2 3 and 4, so positive charge will balance here, okay. So after that what happened here, if you see D2O is added here, okay. So in this what happened here, this lone pair of electron, so if you see very carefully, this starting material having one hydrogen, okay. So it lone pair of hydrogen abstract this proton, this reaction will be very slow, reaction will be very slow, okay. So it abstract proton here and converted into this one, okay, minus, and after that what happened, this DCl again, this minus charge will attack this one, and chloride will be released out, okay. So if you see this, sorry, here we did not mention, that's why, okay, sorry. So okay, so it is the, this is nitrogen and this is D plus, okay. So after that, this step again, this hydrogen will be abstracted by same reaction methodology, okay. So it will, this one, so your product will be this one, okay. So after that what happened here, this in the second situation OS base is added here, okay. So what happened if you add base here, so this base will abstract this one, and this positive charge will be stabilized here, so your product will be this one, okay. So in the reaction, in the last and after second step, your product will be this one, okay. So this if you see, this problem is very complicated in this situation, because here lone pair will be at abstract this hydrogen, okay, but reaction will be very slow. It it comes very, means if you see there is not, when if you see in the organic synthesis, this type of reaction methodology, means mechanism of of this type of reaction is very less. Okay, so that's why we we are solving this question. So thank you friends. Okay.